What is one unsolved issue or problem in education today that you think is especially important? My answer is harnessing the power of group learning. We know that students work wonderfully well in groups. The first thing that I tell a student who is experiencing difficulty in my class is to find a group of students and study together. Students speak the same language. They're able to guide and provide informative feedback for each other. They are able to motivate each other. They ask the right questions and provide the right answers. Whereas I myself have forgotten what it is to study new types of material. So there's a lot of benefits towards studying in groups. However, it is difficult to bring about these benefits without the aid of a human teacher. And I think that's the main problem with getting students to learn well together. How can open science approaches help? So I think open science of learning is a network of students, teachers, and computers collaborating together in order to improve their learning gains and to increase in knowledge. In particular, one can imagine groups of students working together to solve exploratory problems, and computers who are, and I use this metaphor, friendly parrots sitting on the shoulders of these students, tracking their interactions using AI technology such as plan recognition and machine learning, and they're trying to identify critical moments in the group's interactions. So for example, is the group making progress towards making learning gains? Is one member of the group providing a claim that is being ignored by the other group members? That's an example of a critical moment. Should the teacher intervene because the students are off track? They're not speaking well about the problem at hand. Maybe there's some bullying going on or some social dynamics within the group that a teacher needs to know about. With the right kind of AI technology, we can integrate teachers in a way that they can provide the right kind of support for multiple groups of students working together that can progress their learning without hindering or disrupting their interaction.